Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from Kucoin to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or simply switch exchanges, this step-by-step process will help you do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Kraken, and that you have some SHIB tokens in your Kucoin wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, after all, and cyber threats are everywhere. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and find your SHIB holdings. Next, look for the Withdraw option next to SHIB. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. In the withdrawal page, select SHIB as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your Kraken wallet address. To get that, quickly log into your Kraken account in a new tab, go to the Deposit section, select SHIB, and copy the provided wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Paste it carefully into Kucoin. Step 3. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits on Kucoin. You'll also see network fees, so factor those in. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction via email or 2FA. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After that, head back to Kraken and check your wallet to confirm the SHIB has arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check details. In 2025, with advanced blockchain tech, this should be quicker than ever, but stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.